cruise. I am so ready, Mom. I'm so excited. Yeah. All right, we're here. Wait, Mom, I don't see a cruise ship. Oh, don't worry. The shuttle will take us to the cruise ship. All right, kids, let's get out of the car. We'll wait for the shuttle to get here. Yay! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, Mom, I'm so excited. Come in, honey. All right, let's just close the car. Let me get the stuff. Wait for the shuttle to get here, okay, kids? Yay!
Shuttle for the cruise.
Oh, yes. I'll go back from here. Alrighty. You kids on the front row? No, I don't. Sit right here. I'll sit right here. Let's go!
Everyone ready?
Yes.
So folks, is this your first time on the cruise?
Oh, yes. We are so excited today.
Well, we're happy to have you aboard
Thank you.
on our cruise line.
Thank you very much.
Here we are.
Wow. This looks magnificent.
I got your bags. You folks
Thank
can
you
head
very
on down.
much. Yes, thank you very much. Come on, kiddos. Coming. Come on, let's go. Oh, I'll get this back.
All right, folks. Your private cruise ship. Come on, follow me this way.
All right.
This is the room.
This is a very nice room.
Yep, this is where the kids will be sleeping.
Oh, all right.
And the master suite is just right above where the dinner table is.
Wow. Thank you so much.
No problem. Please enjoy
Oh,
your...
here's a tip.
Oh, thank you so much.
Problem.
Please enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Okay, kids, get comfy.
I'll be back in a few days to pick you all up.
All right. Woo, I caught this bug. Caught this one.
Cowabunga, bros!
Hello. Are you the entertainment?
Yes, I am. I'm the entertainment director here on board the LPS cruise ship.
Wow. So is there a rock climbing wall here? My daughter just wants to try it out.
There's rock climbing wall, surfboarding,
Ooh,
a water
surfboarding.
slide.
Wow.
We have this beautiful buffet,
Wow.
but we also have a menu that you can order from, made by our
and
top chefs, and all-you-can-eat ice cream machine. And I'm not finished, lady.
oh.
This zip line.
Wow. Wow, a zip line.
Right. And we have a dance floor,
Oh
so
my
you can
goodness.
boogie woogie woogie to the night.
Wow. We're definitely gonna go there, right? Yes. Is there like a place to drop off the kids for like if we go somewhere like go to the show or something?
Man, this is a private cruise ship.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, never mind. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, here is your teddy. Should put my glasses right here. They can't fit. Okay. Selfie stick. I shouldn't have just poured it out like that, but oh well. Right. Allie, here's your book. Thanks, Mom. And the camera will be right here. Perfect. Me and your father are just gonna go take a nap, okay? All right. See you later. Come on, honey. I'm coming. I wonder what the girls are doing. Nice and comfortable. Yep. Hey, wanna go to the Lido deck? Sure, I guess it's better than just laying here and doing nothing. Come on. Coming. I wanna go first. No, I wanna go first. Fine. Hi, Captain.
Hey, kiddo.
How are you?
Pretty good. Is this your first cruise?
Definitely, yes. Yes, I'm super hyper right now, so I'm so sorry about my terrible manners.
Don't be sorry. I remember my first cruise. It was back in 1985.
Oh.
I'm actually not that old.
Oh, wow. So,
What are y'all's names?
my name is Macy, and my name is Allie.
Y'all enjoying the view?
Of course, this view is very beautiful. I'm trying to look for some animals, like maybe whales.
Alright, hope you girls have a blast on this cruise ship.
Thank you very much.
We got top-notch entertainment and activities, and we got the best food.
Do you think we should go into the pool? Is there like a height limit?
Not at all, kids. Go knock yourselves out.
Let's go, Allie. Wait, what?
Girls ready?
Yes. You go first, scaredy cat. Fine. That's awesome. The water's very warm. Try it. All right. Wow, so much fun. Is that surfing?
It sure is.
Can we like surf?
Yeah.
Yay! I mean,
Here,
I'm
let me help y'all on.
Thank
Here,
you.
You get this one.
Okay.
And there you go. Come on, Al.
Oh, all right.
Don't be scared. That's very fun. Alright, you girls ready?
Yes.
The waves are coming in.
This is so much fun! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Even the water's getting in my eye, it's still so fun! Oh my goodness. Woo! That wave was big. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. Like, Macy, of course, this is so much fun! Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh, the water! The water! Ah! Oh my gosh, it's in my eye, it's in my eye. Ah! It's in my eye! It's in... Ah! I can't! What is that noise?
Great job, kids.
What does it sound like? Come on, let's go and lead them back. Girls! Girls!
Woo! What is a cruise? Have some fun. Get up here.
I guess they're right. Woo!
Come on.
Whee! Go down. Oh! Whee! So much fun. Ooh, can I try something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Smile, girls. Whee! Cheese, cheese. Ow, look over here. Oh, sorry. Cheese.
Drop them down, y'all.
Ah! Ah! Oh, my camera got all wet. Well, it is a water. Ah!
Y'all smell that? I smell dinner.
Dinner! I'm so hungry. Ah.
Our top chefs have lined up.
Let's go, kids. Let's dry off and let's go. Woo! Dinner!
I'll need help. There you go.
Thank you very much. We're
Come
coming
on,
back
lady.
tomorrow.
Of course, you have a couple days on it.
All right, let's go to the buffet. Wow, it's right here. Look how much food there is. Wow, I want to grab everything. Me too. Doesn't this look delicious? So good. I'm drooling. Eat up. Where do we put the dishes, Mom? We don't have to put the dishes away. The waiters will. What? So no dishes, no cleaning. Yup, you're right. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
How was your food?
So yummy. Delicious. Really good. Oh
Great.
my goodness.
Let me clean up your dishes. Please,
Thank you.
go back to your room.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. My name is Sunil.
Thank you very much, Sunil.
No problem.
Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna read my book. It's Gravity Falls book. I'm gonna play with my teddy.
Announcement, all cruise guests. There will be a disco party at 10 tonight.
Disco
We
party.
want you there.
Disco
Out.
party.
Sir, let me get you a chair.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're
Wow.
very welcome.
How did you get in the room?
This whole ship is real.
What in the world?
Alright folks, the disco party is starting in 10 minutes and now I want to see you there.
Disco party.
So head on over to the promenade deck.
Mom, Dad. Let's go to the disco party. Come on. Woohoo!
Welcome to the party!
Oh my goodness. Dancing.
Come on, let's see you on the big stage.
Let's show off my moves. Oh my goodness. I think my moves are better than yours because you don't even take dance classes. Do. Let's go!
Love those dance
Yeah!
moves. Come on, Mom, get to the gym.
Woo!
Loving these moves.
This is so much fun dancing to the party. Kids, I'm over here for the picture. Woo! Cheese. That was great. Now I need to record myself dancing.
Alrighty, folks. Sorry to be the party pooper, but the party's over. Don't worry.
Will there be another one tomorrow or like a show?
There will be a show tomorrow.
Oh, I can't wait to watch this show. Oh my goodness. Well, I am exhausted.
Then go to bed. Peace.
Peace. Bye. Good night, kids. Good night, kids. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put my book down here. Good night, sis. Good night.
What the? What's this? Oh no. Part 1 of the cruise ship disaster.